Greetings to all tech enthusiasts and curious minds out there. We welcome you to our tech review channel, where we update you on the latest smartphones and gadget. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, like, share, and comment. Thanks. Now let's continue. The release of the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro generated considerable excitement, not due to flashy marketing tactics, but because of its impressive specifications. Much like its predecessors, this new model boasts a range of features typically seen in higher-priced devices, including a reliable processor and high-resolution cameras. Anticipation among fans is high, and we're eager to delve into our review of the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro without further delay. And here's a cherry on the cake. A special offer awaits you at the end of the video. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro. INFINIX, a brand known for its innovative and budget-friendly devices, has once again hit the mark with the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro. INFINIX has made quite a name for itself in the competitive world of smartphones, consistently delivering high-quality, affordable devices that don't compromise on performance or aesthetics. The INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, the latest addition to their impressive lineup, is no exception. This phone is a testament to INFINIX's commitment to providing accessible technology without skimping on the features that matter the most. With its catchy design, it's not just a device, it's a fashion statement. But don't let its good looks fool you. Underneath that stylish exterior lies a powerhouse of performance, ready to meet all your tech needs. From gaming to multitasking, the Hot 40 Pro is equipped to handle it all with ease. Now, let's delve deeper into what makes the Hot 40 Pro truly stand out. The INFINIX Hot 40 Pro is not just another smartphone, it's a gadget packed with exciting features. It's a device that combines affordability with high-end specs, making it a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. The display of the Hot 40 Pro is a visual treat. It boasts a sizable 6.78-inch HD Plus display. With a resolution of 2460 by 1080 display, it offers a vibrant and sharp viewing experience. Whether you're browsing through photos or streaming your favorite shows, this phone provides an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM. This combination ensures a smooth and lag-free performance, whether you're operating the device or playing high-end games. Now let's talk about the camera. The Hot 40 Pro features a triple rear camera setup with a 108-megapixel primary sensor. It also boasts a 32-megapixel selfie camera. These cameras capture detailed and vibrant images, performing exceptionally well in various lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the Hot 40 Pro is its impressive battery life. It houses a massive 6,000 mAh battery that can easily last for a day or two on a single charge. This is a huge plus for those who are always on the go and don't want to be tethered to a charging point. However, it's not all roses. An area for improvement is the phone's plastic body, which may not appeal to all users, particularly those who prefer a more premium feel. Despite this, it's worth noting that the phone is quite sturdy and can withstand minor falls and impacts. In terms of software, the Hot 40 Pro runs on Android 13 with the custom XOS 13.5 skin. This offers a range of customization options and features, adding to the overall user experience. As you can see, the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro is indeed a contender in its price segment. It offers a well-rounded package of features and specifications, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly yet feature-packed smartphone. There you have it, the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, a device that offers value for money. This smartphone strikes a perfect balance between performance and affordability. With its sleek design, powerful processor, and mind-blowing camera quality, it's a gem for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Let's not forget the long-lasting battery life of 5,000 mAh that keeps you connected throughout the day, and the vibrant display that brings your favorite content to life. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or someone who just wants a reliable smartphone, the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro is designed with you in mind. But that's not all. We've got a special offer for you. We know how much you value getting the best tech for your money. That's why we're giving you the opportunity to get your hands on this incredible device at a discount. Yes, you heard it right. A discount on the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below. This will take you to a page where you can grab this amazing smartphone at a reduced price. It's a deal you don't want to miss. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks. So, are you ready to experience the power of the INFINIX Hot 40 Pro? Click the link in the description box to grab your INFINIX Hot 40 Pro at a discount. And remember, technology is just a tool. It's you who make it a pro. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy.